Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the online versions of our virtual pods and slides in your tutorials. You will be accessing this through PowerPoint because we will insert the links, so it's very similar to what you are used to. The first thing you need to take note of is that the default browser must be Chrome or Firefox. So we are doing our best to set these as the default browsers in all the classrooms. But if you encounter technical difficulty, we will also give you a list of numbers to call for immediate help. When you start the tutorial, you will be prompted to sign in to the Virtual Slides platform. This is the curative platform. We are trying this out. It may not be the final platform that we use, but it will be along similar lines. So you need to just sign in using this email address and the password, which is simply curative. And I'm going to sign in now. So when you click on that link, you will get to the sign in page, and here is the email address and the password is curative. So we will sign in, and this will bring us to the dashboard. The dashboard is a very important page because this is where you can start to access all the slides. So you're going to look for these two words here, all slides, and simply click on this. And this will then open up the menu of all the slides that we will be using in our entire set of tutorials. You can see here, each thumbnail represents one slide. If you click on it, it will open up that slide. At this point, we can go back to our PowerPoint. If the students also want to join in and look at the virtual slides, they can access this from the Virtual Pathology Museum homepage, and here are the details for the students. We will also include this slide in your PowerPoint. Now here is an example of a PowerPoint slide in which there is a virtual microscopy slide. Note that we have put the login details here in case you have forgotten to log in earlier on. So what you're going to do is simply click on this online virtual slide button, and this should bring you immediately to that specific slide that we want to demonstrate. As you can see here, you can go to full screen mode and use your mouse roller, and you can drag your mouse and you can demonstrate this as you would any other virtual slide. Take note that you can also annotate if you want to. However, this platform is shared by all other tutors, so other tutors can also see, they can edit, and they can erase your annotations. Let's exit full screen mode and go back to PowerPoint. If you have difficulties clicking on this, you can try to click on this, which should bring you to the slide menu page, which is this page which contains all the thumbnails. And you can simply scroll down and just select the slide that you want for your tutorial. As you can see, this is the slide. And you can also open it this way. So returning to the PowerPoint, now I'm going to show you how to access the online virtual pods. You are used to this button, which brings you to the Flash file, but for the online virtual pod, you just need to click on this button, and I encourage you to all try this during your tutorials. This will still be there as backup, so don't worry. So click on online virtual pods, and this will bring you to the web page. You can rotate this specimen, and also you can use your mouse to drag to change the size. You'll also notice that there is this little button here at the bottom left corner. So click on this, and this opens up a menu. It also opens up the labels. So if you want to just play around with the labels, you can do that as well. And you can click anywhere on the screen to make the labels disappear. I will just show you the magnifier function, which is what we are used to using our Flash files. So you can use your mouse roller to adjust the size of the magnifier, and you can drag it anywhere on the specimen. Click this to go back to the default mode. If you want to pan the specimen without rotating, click on the hand icon. Then you can enlarge the specimen using your mouse roller, and you can move it in the same plane without rotating. And if you want to go back to the default rotation mode, just click on this. Some of you may notice that the diagnosis is actually up here in the page URL. So if you don't want to show this, you just need to press the F11 key. This will bring you to full screen mode, and then the students can't see the diagnosis. And you simply press F11 again to exit full screen mode. And then you can go back to your PowerPoint. So this is essentially how to access your virtual online virtual slides and online virtual pods. And I do hope that you will try this out. Thank you.